Guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to our channel. Yes, this belongs to both of us, you and I. Okay, if you're just clicking this channel, you're just watching my video for the first time. On this channel we discuss simple solution to life. Yes, so anything that you anything that will make your life easier, simple, that is what we discuss on this channel. So if you are inquisitive and you want to know, why not subscribe to my channel? Click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Yes, so ladies, have you been crying? Is your man cheating on you? Is your husband, likes different things, different sizes? Whether hiding it or openly displaying it before you, and you don't know what to do about it, and you have been crying. Now this is how to arrest your man. Yes, this video today is dedicated to how we can stop you from crying over your man, how to stop your man from cheating on you. Yes, or how to handle a cheating man. Because I don't want to say husband alone, because some of you are into a relationship that will lead to marriage already. Some of you are into something serious, some of you are into something not that serious, casual or whatever. But your man is your man. As long as there's emotion, there's feeling, then you need to like hold your ground. Okay, if you want to hold your ground as a woman, watch this video to the end. Okay, there are some things that I'm not going to show on this. I will not advertise it on my channel. But when you have any problem, you can talk to me. We can handle it. Okay, but the one that I can show you on this video, you can place order for it and I will deliver it to your doorstep. Yes, anywhere you are on the face of this earth, my products are shippable. They are shippable to anywhere across the globe. So just give me your address and I will send it to you. Okay, wherever you are. All right, I want to talk about this product. This one, this is an elder sister to Magneto. Yes, you need to get the two of them together. Okay, get them together. One is to make you special in bed with your man. Yes, and then the other one is to silence all other competitors. Yes, is to silence. In fact, the first one is the one I advertised before. If you have not seen that my video on how to get your man, how to get your man or something like that, forgetting the title, where I titled that video by Medilog. Just go and watch it. Okay, so using this, I said get your man using this. All right, now you can see that the quantity is different, right? So I am going to like increase the quantity of everything so that you can use it for a long time. Men have their own, but this women own is different. See, women's own is going to be different and you will love it, you will like it. So in fact, if you're living far away, I will advise you buy more than one so that it can last you longer, because of the cost of shipping and whatever. Okay, so if you're living close, then you can just use one and see. But anything I saw, I advertise on this channel, they are deep things. Yes, if anything that is not deep, I'll come and teach you, do this and that. But if you see me advertising something that I'm selling to you from my hand to you, it is a deep thing. And when you use it, by the grace of God, you'll not be disappointed. Yes. And then a back to sender. Those that have not gotten their back to sender yet, what are you waiting for? Back to sender. We got a testimony of a woman that was healed of madness using back to sender. So many things, testimonies that I cannot recall. You understand? So get your own. And for this one, you know, last time I talked about this. How to enlarge your breasts using white palm kernel oil. It looks yellowish in this video, but when you put it in your hand, it is colorless. You know, it's colorless. It's colorless. So you rub it on your bust, you know, for breast enhancement. You know, for those of you who are giving birth and your breast has gone down, shrinking, and has lost weight, you know, you are not losing weight, but your chest has lost weight. It's gymming, you know, feeding 3 children, 4 children, 1 or 2, it's not a joke. So it's a gym, you understand? So and also feeding your husband too. So your breast has undergone a lot of gymming and then it has lost weight. So you need to like reverb it back, you know. So get your own. But I said you should not request it from me, because getting this one now is stressful. That is why. And if you want to place order, you must be patient because I have to order for the production of this. So, and it will take at least up to 10 days or less than that. So guys, I want to stop here. I don't want this video to be long today. So please arrest your husband. Your husband that is cheating on you, say no to a cheating husband today. Yes. And apart from that, there is another one that you can put in your mouth. Hey, see, if you have any issue like that, just call me. Okay, send me SMS, call me. Let's talk, lady to lady. Okay, and let us stop that man from cheating on you. Yes. So arrest your cheating husband, your boyfriend, and let him be focused on you alone. Yes. Get this and the other one. There are 2. Yes. Which name do I give to this now? This one. Just to arrest her. I think I should just say arrest us, because when you are placing order, you ask me for the name. Okay, so this one is arrest. Just to arrest your man, keep him for yourself alone. All right, thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye. Love you.